it's been a while. This is your cousin Mendoza again. And today we will be discussing about the conic sections introduction. So at the end of this video, we should be able to define and identify conic sections. So to start, what is conic sections? So in mathematics, a conic section or just conic is a curve obtained by intersecting a cone, more precisely a right circular conical surface with a plane. So conic section is two intersecting cone. So there are four conic sections that are created when a double nap or double cone is intersected with a plane. So namely, we have here parabola, circle, and ellipse, and lastly we have hyperbola. Now as you can see here, these are the graphs of the four conic sections. The first one we have the circle, and then the ellipse, the parabola, and the hyperbola. So identifying conic sections. So for our next slide, we should be able to identify if what type of conic section is the given equations. So if the equation in x and y represented by a conic ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0, then the type of conic section can be determined as follows. So as you can see here, we can say that that equation is a parabola when its discriminant is 0. So the formula for the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Then we can get the value of b, a, and c in the equation ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So just substitute the given value or the given equation in this equation. So if it is parabola again, the discriminant is equal to 0. Now if it is a hyperbola, therefore the discriminant should be greater than 0. Now what if it is a circle? So if it is a circle, the discriminant should be less than 0 and b should be equal to 0 and a is equal to c. So lastly, the ellipse. So we can say that that conic section is an ellipse if the discriminant is less than 0 and neither b is not equal to 0 or a is not equal to c. So that's it. Just look at this table so that you will be able to identify what type of conic section the equation is given. So if b is equal to 0, axis of the conic is horizontal or vertical. But if b is not equal to 0, so therefore the axes are neither horizontal or vertical. So for you to deeply understand our topic, let me give you some examples. So first example, we have identify what type of conic section given x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. So here, in order to identify what type of conic section is this, we are going to use the equation for the discriminant, or the formula for the discriminant. So the formula for the discriminant is d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So our a here is equal to 1 since 1x squared, and our b is equal to 0 since there is no bxy here in the equation, and our c is equal to 1. So let's substitute their values so that we can get the discriminant. So b is equal to 0, so 0 squared minus 4 times a, where a is equal to 1, times c, where c is equal to 1. So 0 minus 4 is equal to negative 4. And we all know that negative 4 is less than 0. And as you can see, a is equal to c. So therefore, this type of conic section is what we call the circle. So for the second example, what type of conic section if the given equation is 3x squared minus 4y squared plus 16 is equal to 0? So again, we will be using the formula for the discriminant, which is d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So we have the value of a here, which is 3 from this equation, and b, which is 0, since again there is no bxy in this equation, and c is equal to negative 4. We get negative 4 here. So let's substitute their values. So we have b squared, so 0 squared minus 4a, so our a is equal to 3 times c, which is c is equal to negative 4. So combine, so 0 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 4. So we can get that the discriminant is equal to 48. And we all know that 48 is greater than 0, so it means it is a hyperbola.